Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am at it again with another video. This is the Colourpop lip swatches part 2. Now in this video there's going to be 3 different formulas and you're going to see them throughout the video. I hope you guys are enjoying these lip swatches. Happy Wednesday. I will be traveling today, so you guys will be watching this video as I am getting everything ready to hop on a plane and go. Before we get started, you already know, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below which one was your favorite out of the last video, part 1, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, as you saw, I finished all the lip swatches. Again, this is Colourpop part 2. These were a mix of the Ultra Satin lips, the Ultra Matte lips, and the Ultra Bottled lips. Those are the 3 formulas that I had in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below which one was your favorite, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for your support and I love you all. Bye guys.